Sometimes it can be difficult for physicians to know which visualization options work best for their clinical applications. Additive Care helps hospitals make sense of the 3D printing, virtual reality, and patient-specific modeling landscape. Our process allows hospitals to rapidly integrate VR and 3D printing applications into their patient care workflows, and our risk-free simulation environments give clinicians detailed 3D insights into each patient's underlying condition and help surgeons develop the specific strategies and maneuvers required for treatment. We complete each patient modeling project in 5 simple steps. First, the patient undergoes the prescribed MRI or CT scan. Then, the hospital uploads the anonymized scan data to Additive Care for processing. Next, the AI identifies the target anatomy and reconstructs a 3D map of each patient's anatomical features. The files are now ready to be sent to a 3D printer or reviewed in a VR headset. And we will help you understand your visualization options. Finally, you can download the files for viewing or manufacture your parts using our extensive equipment network and have the models shipped to your door. We offer our AI-based modeling and 3D printing services to hospitals nationwide. Our 48-hour project turnaround times allow healthcare systems to provide their patients with a precise point-of-care solution with only a few clicks.